Don't throw away rotten bananas. The rottener they are, the more valuable they are, the more powerful they are. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. No matter how rich your family is, don't rush to throw away rotten bananas, because the rottener they are, the more valuable they are if you know how to use them. Bananas are a sweet, easy-to-eat, and extremely cheap fruit, so they are loved by many people. But if you don't know how to preserve them, after just a few days, yesterday's bright yellow bananas can turn into soft, spoiled piles that no one dares to touch. At this point, the banana flesh has begun to produce harmful substances, and you should absolutely not eat them. But don't rush to throw them in the trash. Those seemingly useless bananas can become treasures that help you solve many household chores in extremely surprising and effective ways. Method 1. Make organic fertilizer for plants. First, peel the banana. The banana flesh inside is soft, fermented, and has a lot of mold. If the banana is moldy on the outside or overripe, but the flesh still looks delicious, I advise you not to eat it because the inside may be infected with mold that is invisible to the naked eye. It may contain a large amount of bacteria that are growing. If eaten, it will irritate the digestive tract, leading to symptoms such as stomachache, diarrhea. So, it is best not to eat it anymore, but do not throw it away. Peel it and prepare a plastic bottle like this. If you have a suitable container at home, you can replace it. Do not use a fragile glass bottle. My bottle is quite large, so I will cut it at this position. When cutting, pay attention to safety. Trim the edge of the bottle to avoid scratching your hands. Then, put the rotten banana in. The more rotten the banana is, the softer and easier it is to mash. Break the banana into short pieces, then use a pestle or any tool to mash it. Not use a fragile glass bottle. My bottle is quite large, so I will cut it at this position. When cutting, pay attention to safety. Trim the edge of the bottle to avoid scratching your hands. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Crush it to this level. Next, add water to the bottle, but do not fill it up. Stir well to mix the water and banana flesh together. The purpose is to use the water to incubate and ferment the rotten banana flesh. Then, cover the mouth of the bottle with plastic wrap and leave it in a dry place for a week. The banana flesh is rich in protein, fat, vitamins, and other nutrients, so we can use the fermented banana to fertilize plants and flowers grown indoors. During the fermentation process, open the plastic wrap a little every 3 days to release the gas because the banana will create gas. If the air escapes, the water may overflow. If done correctly, the solution will not overflow. We see the solution separate into 2 layers, a layer of milky white water below and a layer of banana flesh above. The floating banana contains a lot of air bubbles due to the fermentation process. When all the gas has escaped, cover it tightly and continue fermenting for enough time. After 7 days of fermentation, open the plastic wrap. The water layer is more, the banana layer is thinner. Remove the banana layer on top. The remaining water is filtered through a sieve with large holes to remove the banana pulp. Next, prepare a spray bottle to water the plants. Pour the filtered solution into the bottle. Because this solution has a high concentration, it should not be watered directly but should be diluted with clean water in a 1:1 ratio. Add water to dilute, then cover and shake well. Now it can be used to water the plants. We often grow plants and flowers at home and need to fertilize them for them to grow well. If not taken care of, the flowers will not bloom beautifully. Use this solution to spray the garden. Your small garden will be filled with brilliant flowers. Banana water contains a lot of calcium, providing abundant nutrients for the plants. After a period of use, the plants will be greener. However, you should only water once or twice a week, not every day, to avoid overuse. Soaking banana water also helps adjust the pH of the soil, supporting favorable plant growth, especially for plants that prefer acidic environments. This method is simple, economical, and very practical. If you have friends who grow plants at home, please share how to compost rotten bananas to water the plants. Thanks to that, you do not need to buy fertilizer, but the plants still grow well. The effect is equivalent to flower fertilizer, even better. Using rotten bananas is simple, but the value increases. In addition to the flesh, banana peels are also very useful. Banana peels are rich in polysaccharides, proteins, vitamin C, and many other nutrients. Method 2. Polish and maintain leather bags. Prepare 1-2 rotten banana peels. Use a dry cloth to gently wipe away dirt on the bag. A clean surface helps the banana peel to maximize its polishing effect. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Use the inside of the banana peel to gently rub the peel over the entire leather surface of the bag in a circular motion. Brush especially hard on areas that are discolored, slightly scratched, or dry. Note: do not use the side of the banana peel that is moldy or too rotten. It can easily cause odors and dirty the bag. After rubbing, let the leather bag rest for 5–10 minutes so that the enzymes, pectin, and natural oils in the banana peel can penetrate the leather, helping to soften and moisturize. Use a soft cloth to wipe off any remaining banana residue. At this point, you will see that the leather surface is noticeably brighter, softer, and more elastic. The natural oils in the banana peel help soften and moisturize the leather, preventing cracking. Pectin is a natural polishing agent, commonly found in cosmetics and polishes. Method 3. Banana peels also help clean grease. When cooking, especially frying, the stove often gets oily and is difficult to clean. It's simple. Just rub the banana peel on the stove. Rub it everywhere there is oil. Thanks to its high content of natural oils, the banana peel will dissolve the grease. Then use a paper towel to wipe it clean. You will see that the stove is shiny and the handles are also free of grease. Isn't that great? Banana peels seem like trash but have many practical uses. Method 4. Using non-toxic cockroach repellent. First, prepare a box. Cut the banana peel into small pieces and put it in. The smell of bananas is very fragrant. Cockroaches like to eat sweets, so the banana peel will attract them. Then add a little laundry detergent or concentrated detergent and mix well. These two things will attract and kill cockroaches. Place the box in places where cockroaches often appear, such as toilets, sinks, under the bed, etc. Do this to attract cockroaches to find prey. Thanks to that, you don't need to buy cockroach killer. This method is simple and effective because the detergent will kill cockroaches when they eat bananas and drink the solution. Those who are interested can try it. The video sharing the uses of rotten bananas ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video useful, please give me a like and don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye and see you in the next video.